My hobby is cycling. Whenever I gets free time, I ride my bicycle and I enjoy it. My parents always tell us that workout is very important for us as we can get physically fit through it. My parents also buys fitness equipment for me, and now there is a small gym in my home. There are lots of machines for cardio and weight training. Last time when I won the first prize in cycling competition, my auntie gifted me a mountain bicycle, and I am very thankful for this gift. Cycling also helps me to gain confidence for upcoming sports activities and prepare for further cycling competitions. Cycling has many health benefits and reduces the risk of cancer, heart disease and diabetes. Cycling is mainly an aerobic activity, which means that your heart, blood vessels and lungs all get a workout. You will breathe deeper, perspire and experience increased body temperature, which will improve your overall fitness level. These are the health benefits of regular cycling. Cycling is a good way to control or reduce weight, as it builds muscle and burns body fat. If you're trying to lose weight, cycling must be combined with a healthy eating plan. Cycling is a great form of exercise, and you can change the time and intensity according to your convenience. Research suggests you should be burning at least 2,000 calories a week through exercise. Steady cycling burns about 300 calories per hour. Research shows that a half-hour bicycle ride every day will burn nearly 5 kilograms of fat over a year. So cycling is helpful for maintaining body fat percentage. Cardiovascular diseases include stroke, high blood pressure and heart attack. Regular cycling stimulates and improves your heart, lungs and circulation, reducing your risk of these diseases. Cycling strengthens your heart muscles, lowers resting pulse and reduces blood fat levels. Research also shows that people who cycle to work have 2 to 3 times less exposure to pollution than car commuters, so their lung function is improved. Many researchers have studied the relationship between exercise and cancer, especially colon and breast cancer. Research has shown that if you cycle, the chance of cancer is reduced. Some evidence suggests that regular cycling reduces the risk of breast cancer. Cycling improves strength, balance and coordination of our body. It may also help to prevent falls and fractures. Riding a bicycle is an ideal form of exercise if you have any problem in your bones or joints, because it is a low-impact exercise that places little stress on joints. Mental health is as important as physical health. Mental health conditions such as depression, stress and anxiety can be reduced by regular bicycle riding. This is due to the effects of the exercise itself and because of the enjoyment that riding a bike can bring. At the end of the video I would like to quote Albert Einstein, "Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance you must keep moving."